All right, guys, it's Friday, near the end of, I guess, March 3rd. So anyway, this is just a quick update on my phone. Just letting you guys know the progress of the insulation and how it's going in my cargo build. I've got some of the electrical boxes up, and I'll tell you how I did that. So right now, you can see I got the 1-inch R5 foam up. And I've got electrical box there, and here up. So what I've had to do is I've had to literally cut a channel, about a 1/2-inch channel going up, where I'm going to run the wire. And then this will actually be flush once the wood's in. It'll be a flush mount. But basically the 12-2 wire will be coming down, kind of a 90-degree elbow, coming to the panel. So I've got that one done, as well as this one. It's I'm losing light for the day, and I'm just exhausted. This is a long process, guys. And so tomorrow I'll come back and finish out this panel. Brought some spray foam, little bottle right there, of insulation to help fill the cracks. So this is what it looks like, rear looking front. So I'm going to finish out that panel, which will complete the V-nose section, and then I will work on this side wall here. For right now, I'm leaving these two open because that's where the windows are going to go, and I'm going to work on the back one here, get the wood up, because I'm going to put my breaker panel box back here. So that's my goal for tomorrow. Probably by Sunday, which is 2 days from now, I want to have the 30 amp RV plug installed. It's going to be either one of these two panels, probably right there where the bracket is, just above the bracket. And then I have an inline surge protector that's going to go from, literally, you plug in from the 30 amp, it'll come through into the inline surge protector and come up to the breaker box. If I do the breaker box there, I'm probably going to end up putting the 30 amp here and just have it run this way and come up into the box. And then from the box, I have 15 amp and 20 amp breakers, the little flip switch, and I'm going to run them across. So each individual outlet will be on its own breaker. Some of the breakers are going to be 20 amp to run the fridge and handle some of the larger electrical items. Fridge, I'm gonna have a fairly decent high wattage microwave, and then just the rest will be 15. So I got 6 plugs total. So as you can see, we got 1, 2, 3 up front. One's gonna go down here for the fridge. That's gonna be a dedicated 20 amp. And then hopefully by next month, I'll have the all the wood up, and I'll have the cabinets laid in, and that's when it's really going to start taking shape. I'm actually going to save the roof for last because I still need to cut holes in for the flush LED lights that I have in. But I feel like today was a progress. Real quick, I know some of these have wires. This panel right here was actually a little pain in the butt. So as I came down, I had to cut a channel in the back so the wire would fit. And this would still be flush. Now when the wood goes in, this right here is actually, it'll be open. There'll be maybe a 1/2-inch gap. So I'm not too worried about this wire. I can actually clip this and move it if I need to shift this whole thing over. And then where the lights are for the outside trailer, I literally had to cut a hole to fit that assembly. I literally had to make a real, I don't know, we'll just call it what it is, a sloppy cut here, because there's a grounding wire right in the middle. I didn't want anything to interfere with that, and this little some type of butt connector. So all these wires are just kind of jumbled up in there, so I literally had to shave some of the back corner, break that off, because I did not want to break the ground wire. So same thing on this one. That one I got everything tucked in rather neatly. Running out of foam board. So I'm going to have to buy some more foam board for tomorrow. But this one, not the cleanest, but they have kind of like a triangle plate in the top and bottom corners down there, which made it a little bit more difficult. So I had a bunch of scraps laying around. It'll work. Like I said, I got the foam spray to fill in the cracks and everything. So it'll be all right. But anyway, I'm done for the day, guys. Just giving a quick update. Do one more shot and I'm out of here. So again, from the back, looking up front, it's coming along. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Keep you updated.